Welcome back to WP Design Lab, your one-stop shop for all things WordPress. Today, we're adding a super cool repeat image hover effect to your WordPress website. This effect looks slick, works with Elementor and all major page builders, and best of all, it's lightweight and free. Grab the plugin from the link in the description and follow along. Download the repeat image hover effect. It's built using the GSAP library. Then go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins. Select the zip file you just downloaded, click Install Now, and hit Activate. Now go to Settings and click on Rep Effect. This is where you'll upload the images you want to use for the hover effect. Add as many as you like. Each one will automatically generate its own unique shortcode. You can later use it on any page through a shortcode or an HTML widget. I'm using the free Astra theme along with Elementor. Let me show you how to add the shortcode using a page builder. Just open any page settings and drag the shortcode widget to the spot where you want the effect to appear. Then paste the shortcode for the image you want to display. For now, I'm just adding 2 images. Let's go ahead and save it. Preview the page and watch that hover magic. As you move your mouse over the image, it creates a repeat motion effect that catches attention instantly. It's perfect for portfolios, product images, or just making your site less boring. Let's try adding a few more images. You can create as many as you like and use them across different pages. The backend options are super user-friendly. You can easily update any existing image, and the shortcode will stay the same. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And check out our other videos on custom WordPress plugins, including this awesome add-on to level up your site. Thanks for watching.